Here we are in section 1.4 exercises, part C. Still reviewing for the exam 1, getting you ready here with these exercises. Number 35 and number 36 are the solutions we'll do in this one. It says a dishwasher uses about 1400 watts of power. I'm going to write that down, 1400 watts. If a power company charges 9 cents, so that's $0.09 per kilowatt hour, how much does it cost to run a dishwasher for 16 hours? All right, so we look at, here's the data that we have, and we're going to be doing unit conversion, so we're going to be timesing some stuff. We notice that this is in kilowatts, so we do have to change this to watts. So we better multiply this over 1 by something that will give us kilowatts. Well, yeah, we could either just move the decimal to 1.4 kilowatts, or in slow motion, it's 1 kilowatt for 1,000 watts. This little problem right here gives us 1,400 divided by 1,000, and the watts cancel. So this is 1.4 kilowatts. Let's write the problem new down here so we can see what's going on. That's 1.4 kilowatts. And 16 hours, I'm going to put this over here. And then 0.09 cents, or 9 cents, $0.09 per kilowatt hour. Now, officially how it works is when you times these two together, you get the number of kilowatt hours. That's exactly where we're multiplying things that aren't even alike. So when we take 1.4 times 16, let's try that over here, times 1.4. Well, that's 16 times 14, that's 224 with a decimal, 22.4. So these two give us 22.4 kilowatt hours times $0.09 per kilowatt hour. And that's exactly what will cancel. And you could have multiplied these up here actually and seen everything cancel. The hours cancel and the kilowatts cancel, and then done all of it together. That's all right. But this one helps you understand how the utility company will actually do it. You have so many kilowatts for so many hours, and timesing those together gives you a kilowatt hour, and then they charge per kilowatt hour. So it equals, and we're going to run this up here. Let's do 22.4 times 0.09. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry the 3. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. And there are 3 decimal places up here, so 1, 2, 3. So it's going to equal 2.016 dollars. Ooh, but dollars, we always round at the nearest penny for dollars, so it'll be $2.02. That's how much it will cost to run this dishwasher for 16 hours. Let's check our answer on that. And there we have it. Number 35 is $2.02. Number 36, I bought 8 yards of rope for $9.84. How much did it cost per foot? So we're looking for dollars per foot as our answer. And looking for this, that will tell us kind of how we can do these problems. So he bought 8 yards per $9.84. Well, shoot, I don't want to write it this way. Look, I need dollars on the top. So let's write it with the dollar sign on top so it'll match up there. $9.84 per 8 yards. And so really all we need to do in order to get dollars per foot is we need to times this by something that will convert yards into feet. Now, if you look in the textbook, the number of yards per feet, or the number of feet per yard, I would say, is 3 feet equals 1 yard. And when you multiply by this, it will convert. So 8 yards, the yards will cancel. So we'll take 984 times 1, so that's going to be 984 over here. And then 8 times 3 on the bottom is 24. So that's really all that happened. We're paying $9.84 for 24 feet, or 8 yards of rope. Now we need to actually do this division to find out how much it costs per foot. So 984 divided by 24. Oh, this might be a little tricky, but we can do it. 24 going to 9? It does not. 24 goes into 98? Yes, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4 times maybe? 4 times 24 is 96. Subtract 98 minus 96 is a 2 and a 4. Hey, look at this. 24 into 24 happens exactly one time. Hey, it comes out nice. That's lucky. I didn't know my 24 times tables too well, so good. 0.41, so the answer is going to equal $0.41 per foot, or you could write it as 41 cents per foot. And let's check our answer. Yes, $0.41 per foot. Excellent.